10 ways to say congratulations. Each example will be spoken 3 times by different voices using different tones. Number 1.
Congratulations, I'm proud of you.
Congratulations, I'm proud of you.
Congratulations, I'm proud of you.
Number 2.
Congrats. What a great accomplishment.
Congrats. What a great accomplishment.
Congrats. What a great accomplishment.
Number 3.
Congratulations. I knew you could do it.
Congratulations. I knew you could do it.
Congratulations. I knew you could do it.
Number 4.
Congratulations. I'm so happy for you.
Congratulations, I'm so happy for you. Congratulations, I'm so happy for you.
Number 5.
Impressive work, congratulations.
Impressive work, congratulations.
Impressive work, congratulations.
Number 6.
Well done, congratulations.
Well done, congratulations.
Well done, congratulations.
Number 7.
Congratulations, so proud of you.
Congratulations, so proud of you.
Congratulations, so proud of you.
Number 8.
This is great news. Congrats.
This is great news. Congrats.
This is great news. Congrats.
Number 9.
Way to go. Congratulations.
Way to go. Congratulations.
Way to go. Congratulations.
Number 10.
You're amazing. Congratulations.
You're amazing. Congratulations. You're amazing. Congratulations.
Thanks for watching. If you find this useful, please like and subscribe.